Now, your StormTracker Team forecast with Chief Meteorologist Sam Parish.
Welcome back, everyone. Cloudy skies right now on our tower cam, looking up to the north and west, and also a few sprinkles out there. Temperature currently at the airport, it's 58 degrees. It feels like 58. Northeast wind at 6 miles an hour. Across the area, we're looking at readings in the 50s for the most part. 55 in Macomb, 56 in Woodville. Pick out your hometown. 54 in Gonzales, as well as down in Thibodaux. And looking at the winds, they're generally around 5 to 10 miles per hour, gusting at times a little bit over that in Laplace at 13 and 12 in Morgan City, but most of the area are seeing some light winds. Also starting to see some light rain across the area. A lot of this is not even reaching the ground because it's so dry at the surface, but some of this is actually producing some showers down to the south of Lafayette near Abbeville and New Iberia, and most of it is staying to the south. You can see a little bit wider view. This weak system that's moving across the coastal areas right now. Not expecting a whole lot from this system. So this is weak system number one that's moving by, and you can see that on the upper level chart. The low pressure will start to move off to the east, and as we go into tomorrow and Friday, we're going to go into a zonal pattern. So that's storm number one. Here's storm number two. That's going to move in on Saturday, and that's going to again uptick our rain chances on Saturday afternoon. Then that system goes by, and then a cold front moves in from the north and west, and that's going to deliver some of this cold Arctic air into our area, and here comes that system. And then we have the major system that will be digging down over the Rocky Mountains over the weekend. That will eject across our area as we go into Tuesday. And that's when things get interesting. When you combine the cold air with the moisture coming up from the Gulf, it spells trouble. And we're going to be looking at that closer as we get closer to the event. In the meantime, we have some scattered showers tonight. Those will be ending by tomorrow morning with lows in the 30s and 40s. Then tomorrow afternoon, lots of sunshine, temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s on north winds. And then on Friday morning, still cool, especially up to the north with lows in the mid 30s, 40s down to the south. And then Friday afternoon, increasing clouds once again with a few isolated showers developing ahead of the next storm system that will be arriving on Saturday. Now, rainfall amounts between now and tomorrow morning are generally going to be less than a ½ inch across the area, lesser amounts up towards the north. Here's the next chance of rain after tonight on Saturday with a 60% coverage and a high of 70. So you wouldn't be thinking about winter-like weather on Saturday, but then look at Sunday, 49 for the high, and then temperatures dropping like a rock all the way down to 25 for Martin Luther King Day. And then here comes the winter-like system on Tuesday with a low of 24 and a high of only 33 with a good chance of freezing rain. Stay with us. We have more news and sports coming up right after this.